Hello. Just wanted to come on really quick because I found something really, really cool. I won't be long because I just want to show this and then I want to go and like start coloring or something. Um, let me move this so you can see it better. So I was playing around, trying to find, looking at some things to do, like to color, thinking about other different things to color. And I have this book that is on Create Space Paper, and it's also Grayscale. And some of the images are really cool. Like the first one is probably the best one of the best ones. But I don't like the paper. And um, there's some weird things in some of these backgrounds because I guess it's AI generated or whatever. Uh, um, but so I thought, well, what would happen if I printed, tried to print some of these onto cardstock paper, and I have like that Astro Brights paper. So I tried that, and it was all right. I mean, it's okay. See these weird things? It's like they look out of place. They're not normal, and I kind of would like to edit those out and draw something in that I really want to be there, but we're not there yet. I did kind of briefly try to play around in Adobe. I don't have Photoshop. I don't own that or anything, but just in their PDF editor to try and take some things out. And it's like, nah, I don't want to go that route. That sounds too, um, that's too much. I don't, that takes, no, I'm not doing that. So I looked at that and I was like, well, that's not much different from the original. I colored it on, I printed it on regular printer paper, and then this is cardstock. I'm like, well, yeah, okay. I don't like those weird things in the background, which, like, with paint, I probably can, like, paint them out, with acrylic paint or whatever. The crafter's paint or whatever, like this stuff. Like this stuff. Um, but anyway, the main thing I was concerned about was, like, the grayscale part, that was really dark. Because it takes the fun out of coloring it for me. Um, so I tried another picture and I thought, well, gee, can I make it larger? And some of the pictures larger. And so I was able to do that. And oops, I took this out of the page it came out of too. And I meant to keep it there so I could show the difference. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, oh, I really want to do that sunflower one without the, where is it? Oh, see, this is not my profession. I can tell you that much because I can't keep my stuff straight. Is this it? No, that's not it, is it? No. I love all the mushrooms in here. That's one thing I really like about this book. And, oh my gosh, where's that picture? And I had the pages in there, but then I took the pages out, so that's why I don't know where it is anymore. Is this it? No, that's not it. Is that it? No, that's not it. Oh, brother. Now, this is going to be longer than I wanted it to be just because I'm not organized enough. My goodness, it's not that far. I want you to be able to see the difference. Not that there's much difference from my scanned copy. Here it is. Okay, so this is the picture from the book. I can get that open for you. This is the picture from the book. And I guess I want to show you all of them to see if it really is an effect that you want. Because even though I'm kind of liking the result, you might not. This picture actually isn't too bad with the grayscale. It's not like some of the other ones. Because even when I look at, okay, this is the image that where I scanned it. And is it the same? Yeah, it is the same size. Um, and the grayscale is actually darker on here. I don't know if I chose black and white on that or not, but it's darker. Which, like, I don't know how I feel about that. That wasn't what I was going for. I did this a few times. This one's smaller. I was playing around with settings. So I wasn't happy with this either. I like the original better. Which I probably could play with that too and make lighter in my print, but like I got to figure that out too. Not there. But what I did was actually I found an app which I put in the description for this video. Um, and it's on this site, Tech Lagoon, techlagoon.com. And I don't know, it says Data Chef, Image Chef, Picture to Line Drawing, Coloring Page, which I found going on Reddit and asking, like, how can you, like, convert a grayscale drawing, and to something you want to color, um, and basically to line drawing, I guess is the terminology. And you just go in and you have to save the image that you scan. You have to save it. It has to be saved as a JPEG because this converts from a picture. And I had some of these in PDF instead of JPEG, so I just changed it, saved another copy as JPEG, and I then you upload the picture to this website in the text box and or select box or whatever. Upload your picture. You have choices of what you want the result to look like, which, like, I don't really know how they look to play around with. I'm not even sure exactly what they all mean. But they say you make your settings for it. They have your line type. You can set it as a pencil, as colored pencil, as fine pen, which is what they recommend, smooth pen, and then it says smooth pen, vector graphics. I don't know what that means, but somebody probably does who's watching. You can also select the pen pressure, noise reduction. I don't know what that means. How is there noise in a picture? I don't understand. And then the background, you pick white or transparent, and I don't know how that would affect these either as far as converting a grayscale picture like this. Anyway, then you press the big red bar that says convert, and it converts your image. And this is what happened when I did that. Okay, so like I had it saved, my scan saved, and then I uploaded this as changed this to a JPEG file by just doing save as, photo. Uploaded that to this website, and this is what it gave me. It gave me a line drawing of this grayscale image. Now this I want to color more so than this, and even more so than this. Although, as I said, this is one of the better grayscale images in here. Some of them are just really, like, I don't know, like, really, what are you gonna color in this? So, like, yeah, this would be a good one for me to convert. Um, so I may be doing that a lot with the pictures from this book because, yeah, I don't ever want to buy a book like this again, to be honest. I was very disappointed. But it was a part of my discovery into what I like and what I don't like. Something else I thought of with these is that, you could trace over these and then draw what you want to be in there around it. Like transfer it to a blank page and then draw what you really see to be in there. Um, yeah, these are disturbing. Like, I mean, I know it's kind of strange because when anything eats the sunflower seeds out of your sunflower, the hole isn't that deep. So that's kind of weird. I don't know. There's people that like have kind of philia things or whatever. What are they called? I can't remember what they're called. When people are afraid of certain things, what is that? I don't know. I can't remember what the suffix is. Anyway, that this would really like terrify them, and I don't even like looking at it. So why am I looking at it now? So anyway, this is just to tell you about that app where you can convert a photo into a line drawing. And line drawings are what us folks that like to color in. So that's a tip for you. I put the link to the website in the description box, and it's kind of interesting because you can use any photo. So you could really go hog wild with this, actually, in doing this. And I almost wonder, that almost seems like what some books that I have in particular, um, some coloring books I have where the drawings they don't really look like coloring drawings. They're like Fantastic Cities, and there's another one. And there's like two or three of them that I have. That it almost looks like that's what they did, was they just like converted the photos to a line drawing with an app, with so that it did it for them. So that's maybe why those don't look so much like a line drawing. Um, so and I'm looking at this website some more, and I wish I knew how to show my um, desktop on here, but I don't. But they show on this website, picture to line drawing coloring page, they actually show examples of what it looks like using fine pen, smooth pen, pencil style, colored pencil. Um, so yeah, so they show some examples. They also give like a little have a table of contents with hyperlinks where you can investigate all of those settings and find out what they mean. Um, and this says that it supports file formats JPEG, PNG, GIF, WebP, and HEIC extensions. So that's pretty cool. Um, and it's free. I mean, free of charge, no registration required. Um, High speed, no watermarks, commercial use available. Well, we don't need that. And safe and secure. So I don't know how crazy I'm going to go with this app, and I'm going to investigate it some more. But definitely want to do some more um, conversion of the coloring pages in this book. So that's it for this video. I wanted to keep it short, and I really wanted to let people know about this because I think it's really cool, and I never heard anybody talk about this before. And I don't know, there might be some of you that dislike Grayscale as much as I do. Um, I mean, it's not that I dislike it. I don't dislike it to look at it, but to color in it, it's not so much fun for me. So anyway, that's it. Ending the stream. Hope you check it out. Enjoy it. Talk to you later. Bye bye.